Hi everybody. I stopped my fast because I'm completely free of cancer, even with a PSMA. So I had to build my muscle again. I will eat grass-fed organic ribeye. And because the ratio omega-3, omega-6 is twice omega-6 compared to omega-1, what I do, I take also omega-3 salmon is omega-3, wild salmon, of course. Or if I don't want to eat both of them, I take DHA, EPA, or krill oil. Okay, like this, I'm sure I will have more omega-3 than omega-6. We know that all metabolic disease start on inflammation. So, you know. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.